Welcome to Rock Your Fashion. The cruise packing dilemma. You want to look and feel incredible the entire time, not just at dinner, every single day. But somehow, it doesn't quite come together. Most women don't struggle with having enough clothes on a cruise, they struggle with having the right pieces. So today, I am sharing 7 cruising style secrets that will change the way you pack forever. Stay until the end, because I'm also sharing the 3 things you should leave at home. Let's go. Secret number 1. Embarcation day. Most women treat it like a travel day. Comfortable, but a little forgettable. And I completely understand why. You're queuing. You're handing over your passport what feels like 100 times. You're waiting. You're dragging bags. But here's what I've learned after dozens of cruises. This day sets the tone for everything. And there's a practical reason to think about it more carefully. When you first step onto that ship, your cabin may not be ready. Your luggage is checked in and on its way to your room, which means whatever you need for those first few hours, it needs to be on your body. So here's the formula I always use. A pair of relaxed linen trousers or soft shorts, a light button-down shirt, slip-on sandals, and a small crossbody or pouch to keep your passport and essentials close. Comfortable, pulled together, and completely effortless. One thing I never board without is a tote bag. Swimsuit, sunscreen, sunglasses, a spare layer, everything you need for that first afternoon. Right there. No scrambling. Because the moment you step on board, you can head straight to the pool. Get changed, get a chair, and that first afternoon, while the ship is still quiet and the sun is out, is completely yours. Don't waste it at the buffet. Secret number 2. Morning on the ship. This is the one nobody talks about, and it's where elegance quietly slips, without you even realizing it. Because mornings on a cruise are relaxed. There's no rush, nowhere you have to be, and it's very easy to throw on something that looked fine at home, but just doesn't quite work in the light of day on a ship. Believe me, I've been there. One cruise I packed nothing but dressy blouses and structured trousers, and had absolutely nothing easy to throw on in the morning. I had to get dressed properly just to go and get a coffee. Never again. Here's what I pack now. A soft 2-piece set, or a relaxed dress with clean lines. Something I can step into in 30 seconds and still look like I meant it. Think of it like this. Easy set or relaxed dress plus light knit or fine layer on top, plus flat sandal. Because here's the thing about cruise ships. The air conditioning is no joke, even in the Caribbean, even in the morning. Those interiors can be genuinely chilly. So that extra layer isn't optional. It's what finishes the look. And these pieces, you don't need one for every day. 2 sets, rotated, is more than enough. Because the morning isn't where you want to think about your outfit. It's where you want it already working. Secret number 3, the pool and daytime. Here's where it happens. The place where even the most stylish women lose the plot a little. Because everything feels relaxed. The sun is out, you're on holiday, and it's very easy to think anything goes. And honestly, on one level it does. But there's a difference between relaxed and unconsidered. And it comes down to one thing: your cover-up. Most women treat the cover-up as an afterthought. Something grabbed at the last minute, a sarong that doesn't quite work, a t-shirt that belongs at the gym. But here's what I want you to think about instead. Your cover-up is your outfit. It takes you from the pool, to lunch, to wandering around the ship. It's the piece that gets seen the most, and when it's right, the whole look comes together effortlessly. So here's the formula. Swimsuit plus a caftan, linen shirt dress, or wide-leg trousers with a light top. Something that works as a standalone piece, not just as a cover-up. That's the shift. And on swimsuits, pack enough so you're never wearing a wet one. Roughly one every second day is a good guide. A wet swimsuit the next morning is uncomfortable and completely avoidable. And don't forget your sun hat and sunglasses. A foldable visor is actually brilliant. No backing means you can lie flat on your lounger, your scalp stays protected, and it folds straight into your bag. Don't skip this one. One more thing. On most ships, walking into interior spaces in just your swimsuit is discouraged. The buffet, the restaurants, the corridors. A proper cover-up isn't just about style. It respects the setting. And when your cover-up is actually a beautiful piece in its own right, you'll want to wear it anyway. If you're loving this so far, hit like and subscribe to Rock Your Fashion. I'm here every week with new ideas for you. Now, let's keep going. Secret number 4, excursions. Out of everything on a cruise, this is the section that catches women out the most. Because excursions aren't one thing. They're 3 completely different briefs. And packing one type of outfit for all of them is where it goes wrong. So let's break it down. Beach or water-based excursions. This is the most common. Catamarans, beach clubs, snorkeling, boats. Formula: swimsuit, plus cover-up, plus large tote with your essentials. Kindle, sunscreen, a dry change of clothes. And that last one is important. I made this mistake. We'd been at the most beautiful beach, went in the water, and then had a 45-minute drive back to the ship. Completely soaked. Uncomfortable the entire way. Pack a dry change of clothes. Always. Adventure excursions. A TVing, hiking, caves, anything active. Closed-toe shoes are usually required. Not suggested. Required. Formula: leggings or athletic shorts plus fitted tee plus sneakers. Something you can move freely in. City and food tours. Walking around port towns, rum distilleries, food markets. This is where your 2-piece set earns its place. Formula: soft 2-piece set plus light layer plus flat sandal. Comfortable enough to walk for hours, polished enough to look like you tried. And for all excursions, pack a light jacket or poncho and a bag you can take off the ship. Weather can change quickly, and you want to be prepared. A structured tote or lightweight backpack holds everything without looking chaotic and folds away easily when you don't need it. Because off the ship, you're representing yourself. Make it count. Secret number 5. Evening style. Evenings on a cruise have a very particular energy. There's a sense of occasion. A little glamour. People have made an effort. And this is where women tend to go one of 2 ways. They either overpack, bringing 5 evening outfits for a 7-night cruise and stressing about all of them. Or they underprepare and feel underdressed every single night. Here's the approach that works. 1 evening outfit per night, built around 1 anchor piece you can rewear. For me, that's always a black dress. Wear it on night 1. Change the earrings, change the shoes, add a scarf, and it's a completely different look by night 4. Nobody remembers. And honestly, nobody is watching as closely as you think. Here's the formula. 1 black dress plus 1 midi or flowy dress plus 1 trouser option with a beautiful blouse. A dressy flat that works with all 3. And a small clutch. One that works with everything you've packed. And that's all you need. Phone, keycard, lip gloss, done. That's your evening wardrobe. Done. Now, check your cruise line's dress code before you travel. They vary more than you'd expect. Virgin Voyages, no dress code at all. Wear what you like. Celebrity cruises. Most evenings are smart casual, with 1 or 2 evening chic nights where you dress to impress. Think cocktail dress, elegant trousers, something a little elevated. Princess cruises. Formal nights are part of the experience. A cocktail dress or evening wear is recommended, and honestly, it's a lovely excuse to get a little more dressed up. And most cruise lines have a theme night: red night, white party, metallic evening, sometimes an 80s night. Check the cruise app before you depart, and pack 1 fun piece accordingly. It doesn't have to be much: a metallic top, a red dress, something that plays along, because those nights are memorable. And you'll want to be part of it. Secret number 6. The colour palette. This is the one that changes everything, and it happens before you even start packing. Because most packing mistakes don't come from a lack of clothes. They come from a lack of cohesion. You pack pieces you love individually, but nothing quite works together. You end up with a suitcase full of options and nothing to wear. Sound familiar? Here's the fix. Pick 2 neutrals and 1 accent colour, and pack within that palette only. A classic combination could be navy, white, and camel, or soft neutrals with 1 deeper tone, cream, sand, and rust. What this does is quietly remarkable. Every top works with multiple bottoms. Every layer fits into every outfit. Every look feels considered, without any effort at all. And visually, it elevates everything. When your colours are consistent, your outfits feel calmer, more refined, more intentional. Nothing looks random. Nothing looks thrown together. And suddenly, you have more outfits with fewer pieces. That's the goal. Not more, just better. Secret number 7, the shoe edit. I know, it sounds impossible, but hear me out. On a cruise, you walk far more than you expect. Long corridors, multiple decks, excursions, dinners. It adds up quickly, and the wrong shoes will quietly ruin everything. So here's the edit. A dressy flat or elegant sandal. This is your evening shoe. Choose one that works with every outfit you've packed, and you'll wear it every single night. 1 pair, done. Heels are tempting, but rarely necessary. A sleek flat is more modern anyway. A waterproof sandal or flip-flop. Pool deck, hot tub, beach, excursions. Something that can get wet, get sandy, and still slide on easily when you're leaving the cabin in a hurry. A sneaker, gym, adventure excursions, long walking tours. Something comfortable and supportive. 3 pairs, each one intentional. And if a shoe doesn't work with at least 3 outfits, it doesn't make the suitcase. Because a beautiful outfit, paired with the wrong shoe, loses something. And a simple outfit, with the right shoe, looks completely put together. Bonus. What not to pack. Before I let you go, a little bonus for anyone still packing. 3 things that can stay home. Number 1, heavy denim. On a warm weather cruise, it's warm, it's humid, and denim is restrictive. Leave it behind. Opt for stretchy, lightweight fabrics that move with you, especially when you're eating as well as I know we all do on a cruise. Number 2, anything that needs steaming or ironing. Here's something I learned the hard way. Steamers get confiscated at embarkation, and access to proper ironing facilities on board is not guaranteed. Stick to fabrics that shake out easily. Jersey, soft linen, stretchy knits. Pieces that look good the moment you unpack them. Number 3, the just-in-case outfit. You know the one. The dress you pack because you might need it. But deep down you know you won't. Trust your palette. Trust your plan. If it doesn't fit clearly into your itinerary, it doesn't need to come. Pack less, choose better, and board that ship feeling completely ready. And there you have it. 7 secrets that will change the way you cruise. Forever. Remember, it's not about packing more, it's about packing smarter. The right pieces, in the right palette, for every moment on that ship. And if you take nothing else from this video, take the cover-up rule, take the 3-shoe edit, and please, leave the denim at home. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to Rock Your Fashion. It really helps the channel grow. Now, I'd love to know, are you someone who tends to overpack for a cruise, or have you found a way to keep things simple and structured? Until next time, stay confident, stay chic, and remember, elegance has no age limit.